Hey folks, it's Stacy from Homestead on the Hill. I'm still here. I'm still doing this. And I gotta remember where are you? There. Wave. Gotta remember my film crew here with me. And they're going to help me because, I don't know if you can look around here. Last night we got a pretty good dump of snow. And I have two options. I'm going to get the car up the driveway. I can shovel it, kind of a lot of shoveling. Or I can try my old world hillbilly snowplow. Let's go hook this thing up and see what we can do. This works all right. Bobby the Bobcat, but believe it or not, this car won't make it through this snow. So I'm going to try to, hey, who's that? Whoa, look at over here. Nothing says tough forest dog like having a fleece coat on. I love it. I don't know that you can see this whole thing, but this is my old world hillbilly snowplow. I haven't used it for a few years. Let's see if it'll hold together. The theory is that I drag it behind the machine, and then as I'm dragging it, the snow curls off like that. And it widens the driveway to that length. It makes the driveway that wide. So, just like that. Hurrah! And then, I don't want this thing too close to the machine, so let's see how that works. Snow's not too deep. As you can see how they're showing some dirt. So now as soon as the sun hits it, that's going to attract the sun and make some heat, and it'll melt the snow quicker than if it's got 6 inches of snow on it. Pretty cool. This old snowplow has seen better days. I need to do a little reinforcement on it, give it some adjustments, but it's working. So we dragged it all the way down to the bottom of the driveway, and as you can see, it looks like my film crew was drunk when they were driving. So we'll drag it back up and we'll see what happens. Let it in 4 low. You can see it did a pretty good job down this section here. Got it right down to the dirt. So like I was saying earlier, that'll make that melt. Unfortunately, I was trying to do a little Surfing USA, and I was riding on it, and the fact that I'm 6'5", 320 pounds made it fail. So we're going to do a little rebuild on it here in the site. A little roadside repair. Let's see if that holds together. What do you think of that though? Last year I shoveled it. I shoveled the length of the driveway and I couldn't walk for a week afterwards. My back was so stiff. And I don't like my back being stiff like that. I think this works pretty good. There's that one section back there. I'm going to run over it one more time. I feel like a farmer driving, looking backwards. That's why farmers always get sore necks, because they're always like this, looking over their shoulder, what's going on behind them. But if have a look at that, that's pretty good. I put my needle down here. This isn't the safest thing to do, but I thought about it, and what I'm doing is, if I fall off or something happens, I'm gonna fall backwards away from the machine. There's nothing, no works I'm gonna get caught in. All in all, I'm gonna say that did a screaming good job. You know, like I said earlier, once that dirt's showing through, you get a bit of sunshine on there, and that snow's gonna come off there. Lickety split. There she is in all her glory. The backcountry snowplow. Get her done. What I might do a modification and take a piece like this and put it underneath across the front, somewhere across here, and that might dig in the front a bit more. Not sure. Also, strengthen up, I could put some braces across here and here, but those overall, that did a spanking good job. Hey film crew, thanks for helping out. Anyway, so that's it for this week. It's good to be back. Homestead on the hill. Be well, my friends. See you soon.